Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you all are doing good. In the previous video, we have created an Blink account and we had some basic knowledge about how to create the template and we had a basic project as well. In this video, we are going to create a template to control the LED lights through the mobile application, that is the Blink IoT app, and we are going to use ESP8266 for this project. So without any delay, let's kick off today's video. Open your Blink Cloud platform and go to the developer zone. And here you can see this one is the previous template, the quick start template that we have seen in our previous video. Now go to new template and create a name. I'm going to give it hydroponics. Why? I will let you know in the future. So we are going to choose ESP8266 and connection type is going to be Wi-Fi. Now click on done. So that's how our template is created. Now click on add first device and I'm going to give the device name something, anything you can add, and now create. Okay, so this is the new device created. Copy to clipboard and paste it on your notepad. This is going to be useful while doing the code. Our device is added. Now set up the web dashboard and this is the web dashboard. So what we are going to use, we are going to control the two LEDs using the switch. So one switch added here and another switch added here. Now go to settings and here you can name the switch. Let's say switch 1, and we don't have any current data stream, so we can create a data stream. So we are going to use a virtual pin, and here in case virtual pin V0 is used and data type is going to be integer because we are just going to use 0 and 1. Now click on create and then save it. Similarly for the switch 2, name it as switch 2 and create a data stream for switch 2 for a virtual pin V1, and this is going to be same as the previous one, and click on create. Now save it and we are done with the web dashboard. So we need to do the data streams here. So either you can create the data streams first, then create the web dashboard, and while doing the configuration you can select the data streams, or while creating the web dashboard you can simply create the data streams as well. So this part is done. Now click on save and now let's go to the coding part. So open up your Arduino IDE and here we are going to paste the code. So this is the set of code that is going to work for our project. Now open up your notepad and copy this one and paste it right here on your code. So that's how we have created this template ID, template name and auth token. And similarly, I have this Wi-Fi module credentials. After that, I have here written Blink write V0 and I have given the digital write to pin number 2. So that means whenever the pin number 2 will receive some data, it will work accordingly. Similarly, for virtual pin V1, I have now in the void setup, we have declared these two pins are the output pins, as we are going to control the LEDs with this. Now on the void loop part, we have only this blink.run. Now upload it to your Node MCU. Okay, so now we are done with the uploading. Now let's go and set up the mobile dashboard on our Blink application. So open up your Blink application on your mobile and here you can see the quick start device is now offline and this one is online. I'm going to click on this one and we need to create the widgets. So click on here and add switch, a button. Okay, so we are going to use 2 of such buttons. So click on another one as well. So one goes here, one goes here. Click on this one and choose the data stream that we are going to use. So I am going to assign the V0, that is switch 1, to this particular button and change the mode to switch. And here you can design the buttons as well, like enter the title as, let's say, LED 1. Let's say LED only, or choose the labels, choose the font size. Then you can change the colors as well. Let's say green. Now click on the other one and choose the data stream as switch 2. Here also you can change the switch and design. Here you can enter the name. Let's say pan. And here also you can change the colors. Okay, so now this part is done. Okay, now let's say if it is working or not. There is no big circuit that we're going to make. We just need a node MCU and one LED pin, and simply we have to connect the positive pin of the LED to D5 and the negative one to the ground. And that's how the circuit diagram is done. Now we just need to connect the USB cable to supply power and to upload the code. That's all. So here we have the mobile dashboard, the web dashboard, and here is our node MCU. So when I am clicking on the LED here, you can see the LED is glowing, and from the web dashboard I can turn it off. Similarly for the switch 2, when I am clicking on here, you can see the LED is glowing, and from the web dashboard I can turn it off, or similarly anywhere it will work. So on our node MCU we have two inbuilt LED pins. One is the GPIO pin 2 that we have already used, and the other one we have used the 14 number pin, that is the D5 pin of our node MCU. But what we can do, let's say we don't have an extra LED. So in this case we can change the code for a little bit, just a little change. And here we have the GPIO pin 2, that is the D4 pin of our node MCU. And instead of 14, we can write here the pin number 16, which is another inbuilt LED pin of our node MCU. So similarly, here also we need to change to GPIO pin 16, right? Like now here see in the tools, where it is, built-in LED, we can see GPIO 2 and 16. We can choose any one, but if we write here in the code both of it, then both the code will work. So now upload this code to the node MCU. As you can see right here, both the LEDs on this node MCU are glowing. These are the inbuilt LED pins. So when I am clicking on this one, see one LED is off, and when I am clicking on the other one is off. See, that's a very easy way to check your code before doing the final product. So that's all about our today's tutorial, and if you find this helpful, then don't forget to click on that like button. And if you have any thoughts or suggestions, the comment section is all yours. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.